Hey guys, I'm Dustin and welcome back to the channel. And on this channel we talk about things from vlogging all the way up to tech things. So today we're going to be talking about tech, and today we're going to be talking about the dash cam made by Geko called the Starlit. This is a standalone dash cam that they sent to me. It was full HD, 1080p, 140 degrees wide, and it's got Starlit night vision, looping recording, 400 milliamp hours of lithium ion battery, 2.0 inch LCD, motion detection, and G-sensor accelerometer. Now in the box it comes with the dash cam, suction mount, 3M adhesive tape, car charger, memory card, and a USB cable for charging as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and take a look at what's inside. First of all, I want to show you guys the top of it. This is what the camera looks like, the side and the back. But it also has a little bit more information on the other sides. Very cool. I really like this actual setup because the camera is very tiny and it doesn't get in the way of the rest of everything that you're doing. So this is the little guy right here. This is the LCD screen, this is the camera, and this is the mounting 3M tape. Very nice. We also have our mounting suction cup right here. So we'll mount the suction cup instead. I'm sure it's purely preference, but I'd rather not put adhesive tape on my window. I like how they give you that option, don't force you to just do one thing. And there you go. You have the suction cup on there now. And then we have our charging adapter. And we also have a secondary USB cable, which is super nice. Nice, you have the micro SD adapter. You have your manual. Not sure exactly what this is, but let's look into it. Okay, so this is gonna be your clear sticker for your windshield for when you put the tape on. So that's what that's for. All right, so now that we got this thing unboxed, let's go ahead and try it out. All right, so we're gonna be taking this thing into the car today and testing it out to see how exactly it works. And I'll show you guys some test footage after today's done. All right, let's get into it. All right guys, so we got the camera set up and ready to go. It automatically starts as soon as you plug it in. It's been running for about 3 minutes now. 6 minutes of charge time. And we have all of our settings automatically set up. So now we're gonna let this thing record and I'll show you guys the test video. Sorry it's so shaky. Yeah, it's driving.
That's not why it's shaky though.
Alright, good stuff. This is the test of the Geko Tech camera on the dash cam of my car. Let's do this. Alright guys, so you've seen the test footage, but I do want to talk about a few things about this that I think is pretty awesome. First of all, I just want to say that this tiny little dash cam itself is actually very portable. You can pull this guy off if you want to put it away. Instead of leaving it on your dash when you go into work, you can put it in your glove box. Or you can also put it in your pocket to carry it somewhere if need be. It's very tiny. And let me show you how small it is compared to my phone. So you can see it's about 1/3 of the size of a phone. It is a little wide, so I can't really see you holding it in your pocket all day, but it's definitely able to be put in somewhere small so you don't have to keep it on your dash the whole time. It comes off really easy on this little clip right here. You just clip it on and off like so, and it's very simple. It's really self-explanatory. It records really good audio that you've seen with it. It also picks up really good light. It has infrared. Not only that, it has the G-force capability, which will automatically save your video files if you were to get an impact, and it has a sensor built in that will automatically label those files to be saved and never deleted, so you will always have that there. The reason why that's important is because this also has the record looping, which will automatically clear out any of the extra videos if it does decide to run out of space, so it does save all of that information. It does have infrared, and it has the ability to adjust the ISO as well as the aperture, and has a lot of different cool video modes that you can set up on here. You can set the timestamp, you can adjust all these extra settings in here. I'm not going to get into detail on every single thing that it has, but it's highly capable of all the things you need with a dash camera. And I just wanted to show you guys the LCD quality of it. You guys can see here how exactly it looks whenever you're talking or looking at the camera. It's very high quality. You can look at it and see all the things you need to in this little camera while you're recording. I'm very excited about it. It has a built-in battery for it as well. If you didn't tell, it's not plugged in right now, but that's a super cool capability. So whenever you bring this from an area or you want to take it out of your car and rewatch your stuff later, you can definitely do that from just this device itself. But yeah, that is the review of the Starlit Dashcam. I highly recommend this. This is made by Geko. It's a very high quality build, super light, and it's easy to install. Has everything pre-set up on there that you need to have for a dash cam. It's probably, in my opinion, one of the most advanced that you can get for this size, and I'm definitely going to be using it in the future. This is going to be something that's going to be in my car at all times, especially now that I'll be driving to work from longer distances, so it's highly recommended that if you need one, definitely check this one out. I'll put a link in the description below, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you have any questions about this, if there's anything that you want to see as far as testing, feel free to let me know as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.